Entrepreneurs and dreamers, if you've ever wanted to start a profitable business without spending a fortune, this video is for you. Today, I'll reveal 10 incredible machines that require low investment but have the power to generate consistent income. These aren't just tools. They're business-making machines that can turn small ideas into sustainable ventures. From food technology and healthy living to fashion, eco-friendly packaging, and personalized products, each option opens the door to a growing industry. Machine 1, T-shirt printing machine. This compact machine lets you customize t-shirts and textiles with unique designs through sublimation. With the rise of personalized fashion, online stores, and event merchandise, demand for custom apparel is growing fast. Entrepreneurs can target schools, companies, sports teams, and even sell directly through e-commerce platforms. The big advantage is flexibility. You can start small from home with minimal space and scale up as orders increase. Selling creative prints, logos, or even meme designs ensures high profit margins. Approximate investment, $200 to $2,500. Machine 2, vacuum packaging machine. This machine is designed to seal and preserve food products, making them last longer while maintaining quality. With the rapid growth of fresh food delivery, supermarkets, and organic markets, demand for vacuum packaging is stronger than ever. Entrepreneurs can offer packaging services to small producers, grocery stores, and health-focused businesses. Its advantage is clear: low running cost and high repeat demand, ensuring steady clients. Whether packaging meats, cheeses, or ready meals, profits scale quickly. Approximate investment, $200 to $800. Machine 3, 3D printing machine. This revolutionary tool transforms digital designs into real, tangible products within hours. With the booming demand for prototypes, custom toys, home decor, and even spare parts, the 3D printer gives entrepreneurs an edge in multiple industries. Its biggest advantage is versatility. You can serve designers, students, small businesses, or even hobbyists. Plus, with online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon Handmade, you can sell globally without leaving your home. Low investment but unlimited creativity makes it a perfect startup choice. Approximate investment, $300 to $1,000. Machine 4, crepe or waffle maker. This machine is the perfect entry point for anyone looking to step into the food and dessert business. It allows you to prepare delicious crepe and waffles quickly and consistently, ideal for food stalls, cafes, fairs, and events. The demand for affordable yet indulgent snacks is constant, making this a reliable venture. With customization options like fruits, chocolates, or savory toppings, you can attract all age groups. Low investment and easy operation make it highly scalable. Approximate investment, $50 to $500. Machine 5, donut making machine. This machine automates donut production, delivering perfect shapes and consistent quality every time. With the ever-growing popularity of donuts in cafes, bakeries, food trucks, and events, entrepreneurs can quickly tap into a profitable market. The advantage is speed. Large batches can be made with minimal effort, ensuring higher sales in less time. Decorated donuts for birthdays, festivals, or custom events also boost earning potential. Low production cost, combined with strong consumer demand, makes this business easy to start and expand. Approximate investment, $300 to $1,600. Machine 6, grain milling machine. This machine allows you to grind wheat, corn, rice, coffee, and other cereals into fresh flour, spices, or artisanal coffee blends. With the rising demand for organic and natural food products, consumers prefer freshly ground ingredients over processed ones. Entrepreneurs can supply health food stores, local bakeries, or even sell directly in farmers markets. The key advantage is very low raw material cost, ensuring high profit margins. It's simple to operate, can start from home, and scales easily with demand. Approximate investment $300 to $1,500. Machine 7. Nut butter and cream making machine. This machine produces natural peanut butter, almond butter, or hazelnut spreads, products that are booming in the health and vegan markets. With more people choosing preservative-free and nutritious foods, demand is only increasing. Entrepreneurs can target organic shops, cafes, gyms, or launch their own healthy brand. The advantage lies in premium pricing. Customers happily pay more for natural, fresh spreads. With attractive packaging and online marketing, you can expand both locally and globally. Approximate investment $500 to $1,500. Machine 8. Custom cap making machine. This machine allows you to personalize caps with embroidery, prints, or logos, making them a hit in the fashion and merchandising industry. With strong demand from companies, sports teams, events, and online stores, the market is wide and growing. The advantage is uniqueness. Custom designs stand out and attract both small and bulk orders. Entrepreneurs can sell locally or scale to online platforms where personalized accessories are in high demand. High profit margins come from adding creative value to a simple product. Approximate investment $800 to $2,500. Machine 9 laser cutter. This highly versatile machine works on wood, acrylic, leather, glass, and other materials, giving entrepreneurs limitless opportunities to create unique products. With personalization and customization trending worldwide, laser cut products are in high demand for home decor, crafts, signage, furniture accents, and corporate gifts. The key advantage of this machine is precision and speed, allowing you to produce detailed designs in bulk while maintaining consistent quality. Entrepreneurs can sell to interior designers, local shops, or expand online through platforms like Etsy and Amazon Handmade. Whether it's one-of-a-kind keychains or large decorative panels, the potential for creativity and income is unlimited. Approximate investment $700 to $2,000. Machine 10. Blown bottle machine. This machine produces custom plastic bottles for water, juices, oils, and cleaning products, items used daily around the world. With the steady rise of local businesses and mass consumption goods, demand for containers is endless. Entrepreneurs can target beverage brands, small factories, or cleaning product suppliers. The advantage is scalability. Start with small orders and expand to wholesale supply. Custom sizes and shapes add more value, making your service unique in the market. Approximate investment $3,000 to $5,000. Do you want to learn how to import these machines or explore more business opportunities? I've added useful links in the description that will guide you step by step. Don't miss this chance to expand your knowledge and start building your dream venture. Now, let's continue with our machines. We've explored 10 powerful machines that can turn small investments into thriving businesses. From food and fashion to eco-friendly and personalized products, each offers real opportunities. Success begins with action. Choose your path and start today. Like, share, and subscribe for more business ideas. Your journey starts now.